Hey friend, welcome back. If you've been following along in the Very Good Affinity Designer series, you're officially in the final stretch, and this one's going to be juicy. Over the past two classes, we've designed some retro jam jar labels while learning the basics of vector and Affinity Designer's shape tools. Whipped up a batch of vintage fruit sticker sheets with the pen and knife tools and added a little cutout charm to your design. And now we're bringing it home with bold retro designs with text and effects in Affinity Designer, layered and packed with personality. This class is all about using type as your main character. We're turning playful phrases into art on greeting cards or wherever you choose to put that. We'll be exploring retro-inspired fonts like Cherry Cream Soda and Dubo, and adding juicy gradients and grainy textures. Pairing typography with fun illustrations to build a balanced, eye-catching layout. You'll walk away with a fully designed retro greeting card and the skills to remix this look again and again. Perfect for stickers, posters, even merch if you're being so bold. Not sure what to say on your card? Don't worry, I've got you. Think stay funky, squeeze the day, you're one in a melon. Cheesy. Or make up your own phrase that feels just like you. Here's a pro tip. Have a peek at the Very Good Guidebook PDF. I've tucked in font links, text ideas, and layout inspiration to help you get started. Here's what you'll need for the class. You want your Affinity Designer on the iPad, your Class 3 downloads, check out the resource section if you haven't found it yet, a quirky phrase you love, and a willingness to experiment, play, and maybe get a little weird. I'm Katie from Perch Handmade. Make sure to check out some of my other classes. If you're ready to dive into pattern making, try Pattern Play. Or grab my Affinity Spot Pattern Guide for creating the perfectly placed scattered pattern. You can use your saved assets we created today and drop them in and have an instant pattern. Your creative voice is 100% worth showing up for. I can't wait to see what you make next. Bye for now.